The CC80 Spot Welder features a vibrant LCD screen that allows users to easily monitor battery life, delay time, temperature, and gear settings, enhancing safety and efficiency during welding tasks. With 80 adjustable power levels, this spot welder provides precise control over welding intensity, ensuring accurate and reliable results for various projects. Equipped with a powerful 7,500 milliampere-hour rechargeable battery, this welder can be fully charged in just 3 hours and is capable of completing thousands of welds on a single charge. The compact design, coupled with a gold-plated welding pen and high-temperature wires, makes the Seesii welder highly portable and offers excellent conductivity and resistance to torsion. This versatile spot welder is perfect for attaching nickel sheets to cylindrical, nickel metal hydride, and nickel cadmium batteries, making it suitable for both hobbyists and professionals. The CC80 spot welder's wide range of applications and its ability to charge mobile devices make it a practical tool for various welding needs.